I'm Andrea Steinbrenner, CEO and partner of Exit Consulting Group. We help family-owned and operated businesses navigate generational transitions.
And I'm Heather Stone, CEO and founder of Practical PhD. We help current generation and next generation leaders win with each other so they can win together at business. Andrea and I are excited to partner with Prairie Family Business Association to host a pre-conference workshop, Getting the Right Hand Right, on April 21st.
Why is this relevant to you? Well, family business transitions are full of emotion, uncertainty, and high stakes. This session gives family-owned and operated companies a practical path through transition tension. We'll introduce the concept of right-hand relationships, which are the important relationships between current generation and next generation leaders.
Through guided exercises and hands-on discussions, leaders in this session will navigate the difficulties of transition so they can protect both the business and the family that they care about. We'll offer practical tools for communication, decision-making, and delegation that reduce conflict, strengthen leaders, and help ensure the long-term success of the business. In addition, we'll help you get multiple generational perspectives out on the table.
Heather and I are looking forward to sharing these strategies for helping family members thrive together. Again, where do you find us? The Prairie Family Business Association Annual Conference. Reserve your spot now for the pre-conference workshop, Getting the Right Hand Right, on April 21st. We really hope to see you there.